it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Woo! Hey, guys, today we're here with Rory. Yeah, man, Rory with Law. Big up yourself, Rory. The one you forward for your mixtape. Yes, your mixtape. Your mixtape name is, let me see. Love is Poetry. L-I-P. Yes. Love is Poetry. So, that one here, you don't know, say, the whole mixtape is for the ladies, them, cause love is poetry and them thing. They know say. And for the ladies, them, but the thugs them can listen to them one with them female same way. You know what I mean? Yeah. So big up yourself, Gonga. Big up yourself, G. Big up yourself. The kids are bad. That is the label. The kids are bad. That is the label. Yes. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Let's jump in the one and hear what the G has said after a mixtape. That one name Law by Rory. Let's go. Also, the one here, I'm going to be pinned in the comment section, at the top of the comment section. So if you rate that one here, check it out and tell them, say, yo, a JAMAICA'S game saying over there. Audio visuals, let's go.
Never know the friend did a record. Everything live did I tell her. See the comments and it a stress her. Look on my phone about 100. She a tell me say she haunted, she see me darling. And I tell me say me wanted it back the morning. And I give me the charges and where it start with. So right now I remind you, I'm naughty, so I'm on probation. But girl, it feels like this is a unification. So now I'm in your arms, tangled in your life.
Me like this, hold on.
You there now, and me and you no need no internet, no phone. You want me safe space, yeah, me comfort zone. Show me the reasons I should be at home. You know, say I love representation. Don't feel make your man stay a firm foundation. Where you are free, you're not in a distraction. You hold me to reaction. Never know the friend did a record. Everything I did I tell her. See the
Rory voice sound good, brother. Especially upon the rhythm of me, G. Good choice. The kids are bad, big up yourself.
She a tell me say she haunted, she see me darling. And I tell me say me wanted it back the morning. And I give me the charges and where it start with. So right now I remind her, she say I'm naughty, so I'm on probation.
He say you're naughty, say you're on probation. If I'm on any... If I'm meant to be on any promotion, any probation at all, that is the probation I would like to be on. Probation. Just give me a couple of hours. Can't go on a couple of hours though. Just give me a couple of hours probation. Ready?
Girl, it feels like this is a unification. So now I'm in your arms, tangled in your life. I know, and me and you no need no internet, no phone.
There you know. We don't need no internet. We don't need no phone. Put your phone back here, as a matter of fact, throw your phone. Left your phone outside in the car or something. Lock here, put it in the car seat, make it go in a house. Make we go in a house. Make we go in a house. Now when you put in the comment section, please go check it out now.
Everything live did I tell her.
Ladies!
See the comments and it a stress her. Look on my phone about 100. She a tell me say she haunted, she see me darling. And I tell me say me wanted it back the morning. And I give me the charges and where it start with. So right now I remind her, he say I'm naughty, so I'm on probation. But girl, it feels like this is a unification. So now I'm in your arms, tangled in your life.
What on?
You there now, and me and you no need no internet, no phone. You want me safe space, yeah, me comfort zone. Show me the reasons I should be at home. You know, say I love representation. Don't feel make your man stay a firm foundation. Where you are free, you know, distraction.
Why you have real? You're not in a distraction. Remember, I'm done telling from earlier and say, yo, you don't need no phone, no internet. Them think they're distraction. Left you alone. You don't need it, mama. Once you're with me and nobody else. Once you're with me and nobody else.
Just to be alone. You know, say you I love representation. Don't feel make your man stay a firm foundation. When you have real, you're not in a distraction. You hold me to me action. Say I'm naughty, so I'm on probation.
Yeah, we like this dog.
Young girl, it feels like this is a unification. So now I'm in your arms, tangled in your life. Never get bored with you, cause your vibes right. Every time you looking at your eye, Mrs. Starlight. I'm gonna let you down, baby girl, you are my life. I'm gonna give you all of my love and no part-time. Cause you know why you all love represent.
Yo, the man say, listen, I'm gonna give you all of my love and no part-time this. I know part-time this, I know sometime this, I know one-time this, I haul this. This a haul.
Vibes right. Every time you looking at your eye, Mrs. Starlight. I'm gonna let you down, baby girl, you are my life. I'm gonna give you all of my love and no part-time. Cause you know why you all love representation. Don't feel make your man stay a firm foundation.
Yeah, man, big up the girl, them know say, yo, them know if you make them man feel firm. Foundation, yes. Comparing the firm to foundation, what a comparison. What a comparison. Big up the ladies who have them man back, who stand up beside them man. I know say, yo, if a girl ever run up, if a boy ever run up even, you know say a problem, you know, man.
Come in a Farid.
Yeah, man, big up the girl, man. Big up the girl, big up the good girl, them.
You have real, you're not in a distraction.
Good girl.
You hold me to me action. She say I'm naughty, so I'm on probation. But girl, it feels like this is a unification. So now I'm in your arms, tangled in your lies.
Me action cause it starts to run deep like the ocean. Learn to ride the waves of your emotion. You know me a star, me have to deal with the notions. But
Hold on, man, me never expect a little part. Hold on.
me action cause it starts to run deep like the ocean. Learn to ride the waves of your emotion. You know me a star, me have to deal with the notions. But for my yard, that you alone of the program. Oh, you have to worry yourself. When you have the potion, believe in us and the luck. So just keep your composure, relax your head, you pretty girl. Put it right here on my shoulder.
She say I'm naughty, so I'm on probation. But girl, it feels like this is a unification. So now I'm in your arms, tangled in your lies.
Oh, fuck that. Rory! Bad. Yo, hear me I say, Conga, big up yourself. Hear me I say, the kids are bad, big up. Yo, this ballina, bro, this have like an R&B vibe to it. This have an R&B feel to it, bro. Me enjoy that one, your dog. Ladies, if you don't enjoy that one, if you don't dead beside the man, stand up beside the man, lie down beside the man, sit down beside the man, represent for that one, go down in the comment section right now. Click on it and go over the G channel and make him know see your Jamaica game and see over there. Yo, there are some talented artists in that place in the dog. I just look in them want, you know. And we as the fans them and supporters them feel looking, bro. You see me? Yeah, man, we can look in, man. And change the G them life, man. I want to man. I want to man. Yo, the G bad. Like me say, the mixtape is Love is Poetry. Yes. Love is Poetry. LIP. Yes. So you can go check it out. You know what I say? But yeah, big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself, Conga. Big up yourself. The kids are bad. Big up on yourself. This is my leader want to say. If you enjoy that one, I want to say more. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new, yo. And I will see you down in the comment section. Peace. Bad.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.